In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an employee onboarding hub in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized space that helps every new team member get up to speed quickly and confidently. First, create a new page in your Notion workspace dedicated to onboarding. Give it a clear, welcoming title like Employee Onboarding Hub, and add an icon and cover to make it feel inviting. Add a short introduction at the top that explains the purpose of the hub and how to use it. This sets the tone and helps new hires know exactly where they are and what they'll find. Next, organize the hub with sections for company policies, training guides, tools, and contacts. Use headings or toggles to make each section scannable, and consider turning major areas into subpages for a cleaner layout. In policies, link or embed your handbook and key compliance information. In training guides, outline role-based learning paths with estimated timelines. In tools, include access instructions and usage tips. For contacts, list core teams and who to reach for HR, IT, payroll, and general support, ideally with short descriptions of what each contact can help with. Now create checklists for onboarding tasks and required documents. Use Notion's to-do checkboxes and break tasks into day 1, week 1, and first month so progress feels manageable. For required documents, name exactly what needs to be submitted and add a spot to upload files or link to the submission location. Clear, action-focused items reduce confusion and help managers track completion. Add links to important pages such as SOPs, team directories, or calendars. Paste URLs directly, or use Notion's mention feature to link existing pages. For calendars, embed your team or company calendar so new hires can see key dates at a glance. For SOPs, organize links by function so people can find what they need without digging. To streamline repeatable onboarding processes, use templates. Create a reusable onboarding checklist template that you can duplicate for each new hire, and consider database templates for role-specific training plans. Templates save time, keep your process consistent, and reduce errors across cohorts. Finally, share the onboarding hub with new employees so they can easily access company resources. Use the share settings to grant the right level of access, and test the page in a private window to confirm everything loads as expected. For extra clarity, pin the hub in a visible spot and add a short "Start Here" note at the top. With these steps, your Notion onboarding hub becomes a single source of truth that welcomes new hires and sets them up for success.